Preparing for an exam can be a challenging and stressful task, but with the right strategies, you can improve your chances of success. Here are some essential strategies for effective exam preparation. Plan and organize. Review the exam syllabus or content to understand what will be covered. Create a study schedule or timetable that allocates sufficient time for each topic. Set specific, achievable goals for each study session. Gather study materials. Collect all necessary textbooks, notes, and study materials. Ensure you have access to any resources or tools that may be allowed during the exam, such as formula sheets or calculators. Active learning. Use active learning techniques such as summarizing, note-taking, and asking questions to engage with the material. Teach the material to someone else. This is an effective way to reinforce your understanding. Get together with friends for study sessions. Organizing study sessions with your friends is one of the most crucial exam study tips for university students, as it helps you get answers to all your questions and vice versa. However, you must ensure you save time and stay focused on learning the importance of preparing for exams. Set study goals. Set goals for each study session and record what you learn and review. Learning objectives can be written down at the beginning of a unit of study or set for the next unit. Time management. Prioritize your most challenging subjects or topics. Break your study sessions into manageable chunks with short breaks in between. Don't stay up late. Staying up all night and cramming will make you more anxious and stressed. So instead of covering everything in your curriculum the day before the exam, reviewing what you have already studied and sleeping early is better. Seek help when needed. If you're struggling with certain topics, don't hesitate to ask for help from teachers, tutors, or classmates. Stay calm and confident. Practice relaxation techniques to manage anxiety. Believe in your abilities and stay positive. Confidence can make a significant difference in your performance. Remember that effective exam preparation is a gradual process that requires consistent effort. By following these strategies and staying disciplined in your approach, you can increase your chances of success on exam day. Is this conversation helpful so far? Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.